Mangkok's kinilas.
Eyes.
Eyes. Eyes? Eyes? I have never eaten eyes before. The calamansi will make the eyes delicious. Coconuts. This looks nice. This is grilled pussit. Okay, let's try squid head. So yesterday we were there for the kinilas, the most delicious kinilas. I heard that statesmen actually go there. In fact, when they're in town, it's just the best place to get your kinilas. So there you go. So I'm really happy to be back in the Philippines, actually. It's been quite some time. I'm just so happy. And the people are always so lovely, so friendly. And that's one of the wonders of walking around. People say hello to you, just wave. Oh, I found somewhere else to go. Mangkok's kinilas. Well, I had kinilas yesterday, so I'm going to try something else. What shall I go for? Got a lot of choice here. I don't know what I'm going to have. Oh, let's go in anyway. Morning. Morning. Ah, sissy. Hi there. I'm just wondering what to eat. What would you recommend for food here? Morning. What is baka?
Eyes.
Ah, eyes. Eyes? Eyes?
Yes.
Ah. What animal's eyes? Like pig eyes? So, and like pig? Pig eye?
Only
Cow eye.
only eyes.
Cow eye soup. I've never tried this in my life. Eyes.
Yes.
Okay, I'm going to be very brave today. I will try. So, how do you pronounce this? Matang baka. Okay, I'll try it. I have never eaten eyes before. Am I being ultra brave or ultra crazy today? Oh, so is this eyes?
Yes.
Oh, okay, cool. I have never eaten eyes before. I was hoping they'd be kind of like staring back at me, but they're not. I think they're chopped up already. So this is cow's eyes soup. I was really hoping for an Indiana Jones moment. Remember that scene in the movie where the eyes roll round in the soup? So this is eyes. You can't actually see their eyes. You can't see their eyes. Okay, so again we get the calamansi. That's the little lemon. We are going to squeeze it in here, and forgetting again to put it through the fork, so I get all the pips. Yum. The calamansi will make the eyes delicious apparently, and they won't take like eyeballs. Okay, let's start with the eyeball broth. Can you see them looking back at me? I can see all the fluffy goo from the eyeball. Look, that's the eyeball right there. Let's try the broth first. Eyeball broth. What do you think this tastes like? Here's looking at you, kid. Okay, so it tastes like broth. Okay, now we'll try the whites of the eye. So this is eyeball, cow eyeball in fact. What does eye taste like? That is like jelly, but without the sugar and without the fruit. Basically, fat. Eye fat. That's my favourite actually, eye fat. Oh my god, let's try for some more eye fat. Let's try it again. Do you want some? Surely you want some eyeball. Come on, come on. You know what? I don't mind this at all. It's very gooey, like a very soft eyeball. You thought they might be like squirty, right? You thought you'd bite into it and it would squirt everywhere, but it's not. You wouldn't know unless someone had told you. You wouldn't know this is eyeball. Oh, what am I doing this for? I'm going to go and eat a steak or something after this. Somewhere there's a blind cow walking around a field. Okay. Eyeball. Here we go. They should serve this at McDonald's. Really good. In the comments below, type in your favourite eyeball pun. Okay, that's Mangkok's. That was nice. I've never tried that before. Cow eye soup. Would you try that? Let me know in the comments below. Have you tried that and you like it? It's not bad actually. You might be quite surprised. I recommend giving it a shot. Okay, We're going to keep wandering up this street here. Let's see what we've got. I'm just going to pop into wherever I see first. Let's hope there's a food place around here. I'm hoping we're going to pop round and we're actually going to see something round here, anything. So to recap, this is Dian Dang, famous for kinilas. I'm not sure if it's famous for kawai soup, but it was certainly tasty, and I'll be asking, oh wow, coconuts, a Bicolano restaurant. Let's try this. This looks nice. Very different to where I just was, eh? Very nice. And you know what I like about this place? Air conditioning. Okay, so it looks like coconuts is Bicolano specific food, Bicolano dishes with coconut milk. We like that. So we've got all kinds of things here, all coconut based. This is the one I saw online. It's grilled pusset, so grilled squid, I assume. So this is coconuts. Apparently it's pretty legendary in this area. I guess it's a bit more upmarket compared to the other places in my video, and the price tags do reflect that, but I'm very interested in this squid, so I really want to see what that's like. I'll try the grilled pusset.
What size are you?
Small, please. This is grilled pusset squid. This is a small one, but it looks amazing, doesn't it? As you can see, very distinctive, isn't it? Okay, let's go in now. That's looking good, isn't it? So it's filled with surprise things. That looks like chili, and we all remember what happened to me when I ate the last chili. Let's be careful this time. So let's look at this. This is looking pretty good, isn't it? Sometimes squid can be rubbery, so let's see how this has come out. Wow. That's a surprising burst of flavour. I really wasn't expecting that. It's fantastic. I would say there's hints of chili, green pepper, and probably quite a lot of calamansi again, just burnt nicely, caramelised onto the outer part of the squid. Very nice. Let's go in again, this time with chili. Nothing can go wrong, right? Oh, what is it about the chilies in this area? Oh my God, I've done it again. Why did I do that twice? I'm stupid. Ooh, oh crikey, that's hot. It's how they've caramelized it, that's the trick. Can you see that? You see the caramel around it. Delicious. Okay, let's try squid head. We'll try the tentacles first. Okay, squid head tentacle. You know how you can order squid and sometimes it can be very rubbery? This isn't like that at all. This is absolutely delicious, nice and soft as it should be, caramelized around the edge. 10 out of 10, I highly recommend this. That's the end of my little tour of Dian Dang. So what did we try? We tried local coffee made with locally grown coffee beans. We then tried kinilas, which I really, really enjoyed, kind of like a spaghetti soup. We then tried a chili, didn't I? Crazy man, twice. And then I tried eyeball soup, cow eyeball soup. Very interesting, never done that before. And then finally I had the grilled squid, really delicious. All the foods were masiram. I'll see you next time. Please do subscribe and hit notify for this channel, because I really do want to do more videos about the Philippines, which you can watch more videos about Filipino food and the culture. We all enjoy going on this little adventure together. See you next time.